What you think?
Wow.
Huh? Oh yeah. Oh, wait a second. I just remembered. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. Your nails. Get that sale. Your nails. Your nails. May sale is here. OMG! One of the biggest sales of the year.
Because this is the biggest weekend of our lives.
We got some stuff for you, starting off with store-wide 30% off. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! 30% off every single product in our line. Would you like an electric file? Oh my God, I would! 30% off! Do you want 32-ounce monomer? 30% off! I would like 10 protein bonds? Well, no problem. You get 30% off. The dust collector, 30% off. All the powders, glues, tips, nail liquids, every size, every color, manicure, glitters, go time, everything that your mind can imagine in our line is 30% off. We only do this a few times a year, so you gotta take advantage. Stock up on products. Stock up on products. It's gonna be insane. Now, let's talk about the newness. Let's talk about bundles. I love bundles. They're so cute. Not only are they cute, the price is insane. We're starting off with our insane summer gel polish bundle. You got 12 gel polish summer colors, normally $131. All of this for 40 bucks. Get this 8 neon cream clay bundle, normally priced at around $87. $49.95. $49.95. These colors are poppin', perfect for summertime. Introducing our 5 jelly manicures, also in a bundle. These are gorgeous, transparent jelly time.
It's peanut butter jelly time, jelly time, jelly time.
Perfect for summer. Normally priced at $54.75, but you get the bundle for $31.95. $31.95. That is insane. And introducing our 12-piece art pens. Dude, these are so insane. These art pens are so opaque and they're so beautiful, and you can get detailed designs drawing them with your free hands. You cannot miss this product. This is one of my favorite products of this launch. The art pens are ridiculous. 12-piece art pens. Normal price, $29.95. You're gonna get it at launch for 30% off, which is gonna be around $20.95. So insane. I'm telling you, you have to pick this up. This new product is gonna completely blow your mind. Anything your imagination can dream of, you can now create it with these art pens. Wowzers. We're also relaunching, by popular demand, our Sparkle White Powder, 45 gram. It is going to be 30% off for this sale. And if you didn't notice, we've got some merch.
Wow.
Our new Young Nails trucker hats. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Our new Young Nails tees. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous.
No.
Finally, our Young Nails fanny packs. Check out these fanny packs. They're so beautiful. Fanny packs, I love them. Check this out. You got a little zippy right in the front. You got a little zippy right at top for the easy access. Put it around your waist, put it around your face, put it around your legs. I don't care. Just get the fanny pack. Supplies are limited of the new merch. Make sure you get it while it's hot. The Young Nails May sale starts May 28th at 6 p.m. Pacific and goes all the way to Friday, June 2nd, 11:59 p.m. Again, one of the biggest sales of the year, 30% off store-wide, plus the bundle deals, the new art pens, the merch, and much, much more. Do not miss this sale. Don't do it. Don't do it, or else it's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. Your nails. Get that sale. Your nails. Gorgeous?
No.